In this video, I will explain how to pair the drone DRW331 with both the remote controller and through the app. First, once the drone is flashing, that means it's ready to pair, and you turn on the remote controller. You push the left stick up and down until you hear a second chime and the flashing lights stop and they become solid. If you push or pull both sticks outwardly at a low angle, the propeller start. Now, to pair the drone through the app, you're gonna grab your phone, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and pick the drone name. Go to the app, and the app, by the way, can be found in the instructions manual, and you can find the QR code for both iOS and Android. Once you go in the app, make sure you go to settings and make sure that the altitude hold hover is turned on. You click start and you click the off button, and now it is paired. Just be careful at the end, because when you connect to the app and you start the propeller, it will immediately take off.